children. How are you? Hope you are healthy and safe at your home. Dear students, today we are going to study the lesson The Tiny Teacher from the book An Alien Hand. And this chapter tells us how the smallest creature on this planet can be our wisest friend. Now we will see who is the tiniest creature. Now let's start to read. Please open your books, all of you. Though so very small, the ant is unbelievably intelligent and hardworking. Among the various kinds, the commonest ant is black or red. Ants live in comfortable homes called ant hills. Name the smallest insect you have seen and the wisest. Is it the fly? No, isn't it? Is it the mosquito? No, not the mosquito. Then it must be the worm. No, none of these. It is the ant, the commonest, the smallest, but the wisest insect. The story of ant's life sounds almost untrue. But people have kept ants as pets and have watched their daily behavior closely. So, we know a number of facts about this tiny, hardworking, and intelligent creature. An ant uses its feelers or antenna to talk to other ants by passing messages through them. Watch a row of ants moving up or down the wall. Each ant greets all the others coming from the opposite direction by touching their feelers. What is the meaning of feelers? These are the feelers. You can see it. That is called feelers. There are many kinds of ants. The commonest among them are the black or red ones. We have seen them since we were children, but haven't paid enough attention to them. Where do they live? In their comfortable homes called nests or ant hills. Each has hundreds of little rooms and passages. In some of these rooms, the queen ant lay eggs. Others are nurseries for the young ones called grubs. Workers have their reserve quarters. They spend most of their time searching for food. Some rooms serve as storehouses for this food. Soldiers have separate barracks. No worker has ever tried to live in a soldier's house. No soldier has ever gone out searching for food. No worker or soldier or cleaner has ever harmed a grub. So you see, an ant's life is very peaceful. Each does its share of work intelligently and bravely and never fights with other members of the group. So dear children, here the author wants to talk about ants. No doubt ants are hardworking, helpful and social creatures. There are many kinds of ants, but the common is red and black ant. Have you seen ants? Red and black ant. It is a common. They are smallest insect, but they are the most intelligent and there are some special characteristics. What are the special qualities? An ant has feelers. I have shown you feelers, that is called feelers, which is called antenna. इनको feelers बोलते हैं और यही इनका antenna भी कहलाता है. It uses them to talk and greet other ants while moving up or down the wall. और ये क्या काम करता है? जब ants up and down जाती हैं, मूव करती हैं, तो ये feelers greet करता है other ants को. They lived in their comfortable home which is called nest or ant hills. So what is the house of ants called? Ant hills. Okay, tell me what is called the bunch of ants. चींटियों के झुंड को क्या कहते हैं? A bunch of ants are called a colony or an army. So dear children, you have seen the residence of ant. What it is called? Yes, ant hills. चींटियों के घर को क्या कहते हैं? Ant hills. And ant hills has 100 of little rooms and passages or paths. एक ant के घर में 100 ऑफ लिटिल रूम्स होते हैं, 100 रूम्स के आसपास होते हैं और कई सारे रास्ते उसमें होते हैं. रूम्स आर रिजर्व फॉर ईच मेंबर ऑफ एंट्स फैमिली. लाइक रूम्स फॉर द क्वीन एंट टू ले एग्स. नर्सरीज फॉर द यंग वंस. क्वीन के लिए स्पेशल रूम होता है जहाँ पे वो एग्स को ले करती है. एंड नर्सरीज होती है. नर्सरीज किसके लिए? यंग वंस मीन्स जो एंड्स के बेबी होते हैं. इट इज़ कॉल्ड ग्रब्स ऑल्सो. एंड देयर आर सेपरेट क्वार्टर्स फॉर वर्कर्स, स्टोर हाउस फॉर फूड एंड बैरिक्स फॉर सोल्जर. दे नेवर हार्म टू ग्रब. They live together in peace and harmony. सारे एंड्स की कम्युनिटी के सारे लोग एक साथ पीसफुल मीन्स बहुत शांति से अपने घरों में रहते हैं और वो कभी भी पूरी कम्युनिटी में से कोई भी एंट उस ग्रब को नुकसान नहीं पहुंचाता है. ग्रब मैंने अभी आपको बताया बेबी एंट. दे लिव टुगेदर इन पीस एंड हार्मनी. दे डू देयर ओन वर्क and do not interfere in the others work. सबके सब लोग अपना काम करते हैं और कोई किसी को डिस्टर्ब नहीं करता. They never fight with others and ants of the same group, they never fight to each other. So their life is very peaceful. So dear children, it is all for today. I will meet you very soon with the second part of this chapter. Thank you.